Welcome to the VST Startup Contractor Training for the installation of the U.S. version of the Green Machine. We'll be covering how to complete the startup of the Green Machine. This subject is covered by Chapter 6 of the manual that accompanies the Green Machine. But before we begin, here's a quick overview of the Green Machine. The Green Machine allows a GDF to capture, control, and monitor fugitive emissions to improve air and water quality. In short, when the Green Machine turns on, it pulls a vacuum on the underground storage tanks and pushes this hydrocarbon-infused vapor through an advanced filtration system. The air that comes out on the other side of the filter is clean air, and it is vented to the atmosphere. The hydrocarbons that were filtered out are then returned to the underground storage tank. In this illustration, you can see the various systems that the Green Machine must be connected to if it is to work correctly. Note that there is both an outlet and a safety disconnect switch near the Green Machine. These will come in handy for any testing and maintenance that might be done on the Green Machine. Safety is always a primary concern when performing an installation on a GDF site. The area under the Green Machine cover is a Class 1 Division 2 area. Because of this, installation must comply with various safety codes, such as the NEC, as well as federal, state, and local codes. Also, take special care when working in an area where vehicle traffic may occur to protect yourself and others. When the VST control panel is first powered up for startup, the main screen will show Green Machine disabled, enter code. The code this message is referring to will be provided upon completion of the Startup Contractor Checkout Form, also known as Appendix B. The Startup and Appendix B sections of the manual are very closely linked, so both sections will be covered in this video. Before beginning, you must be sure to have both the Green Machine and the control panel prepared for testing. The functionality test is the most comprehensive test that exists for the Green Machine. In passing this test, the Green Machine will demonstrate that everything internally is functioning correctly. The functionality test is located on the maintenance screen under Run Tests, then Functionality Test. Before beginning the functionality test, be sure that all lockable ball valves between the Green Machine and the vent risers have been closed, and that all caps from the 3 T fittings have been removed. During the run mode, place your hand over each open T fitting. You should feel the following: suction at the vapor inlet T, air blowing from the air outlet, and no blowing or suction from the vapor return. If there is suction or air blowing from anywhere unexpected, refer to the troubleshooting section of the Green Machine manual in Chapter 8. During the purge mode, place your hand over each open T fitting. You should feel the following: no blowing or suction at the vapor inlet T, no blowing or suction from the air outlet, and air blowing from the vapor return. Again, if there is suction or air blowing from anywhere unexpected, refer to the troubleshooting section of the Green Machine manual in Chapter 8. Once you have confirmed these airflows, the functionality test is complete. If there is still time on the test, you may press the stop button to end it early. At this point, return the Green Machine to its pre-functionality test state by doing the following: return all 3 caps to the T's, ball valves back to the open positions, and the cover back onto the Green Machine. The Green Machine uses a dry vacuum pump to control pressure in the underground storage tanks. This pump is sensitive to liquid and can be destroyed if liquid fuel makes its way into the pump. So it is important that the Green Machine and the VST control panel be made aware when there is an overfill related to a fuel delivery. The fuel management system at every GDF has an overfill alarm. This alarm is used by the VST control panel to stop the Green Machine from running. Each fuel management system is different, but the requirements for programming the overfill alarm are the same for each. The electrical contractor has already installed the overfill alarm wires between the VST control panel and the output module on the fuel management system. The VST control panel supplies 24 VDC to this normally closed overfill alarm relay. The overfill alarm relay is to open at 90% tank level. This relay opening will cause the green machine to go into alarm and will prevent the green machine from running for 2 hours until after the overfill condition ends. When programming the relay, label it GM Overfill Alarm. It is the responsibility of the startup contractor to test the overfill protection once the programming is complete. An important shortcut while testing is once the green machine is in an overfill alarm, navigate to the maintenance screen, use password 878, press Startup screen, use password 1793, and press the Overfill Override button. Push Confirm to avoid waiting the full 2 hours for the alarm to clear naturally. The PLC on the front of the VST control panel constantly monitors site data. It is important that the date and time displayed on the main screen be correct. To change the date and time, simply press the button on the screen containing the date and time. Once on the date and time interface screen, enter the date with the format month, date, year, and the time with the format hours and minutes. Note that this system operates on a 24-hour or military clock. Once the correct date and time has been entered, press the Enter key, then the Home button to return to the main screen. Using your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, navigate to the VST website at www.vsthose.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Education and Training. Look for the USA Green Machine section and click the supporting documents and instructional videos underneath. Choose the model of green machine you're working with. Click on Startup Contractor to open the section, then click on the Appendix B Startup Contractor Checkout Form link. Follow the prompts to complete the form. Note that the startup code for the green machine and a copy of the completed form will be sent to the email you designate on the form. You have reached the end of this video.